Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add air to your recorded vocals in a more natural way without using an EQ. First thing you need to do, insert Fabfilter Saturn 2, and all you need to do here is to create a band and set it to around 4000 plus. So once you set it to that, you head down to the saturation type and choose clean tape, and all you need to do is to drive this saturation knob till you get the amount of air you want. So let me play before and after the saturation.
I not let any man take your joy away. No gree, make them steal your joy away. I say I not let any man steal your joy away. No gree, when I want them can't find their way.
So guys, do try it out and leave in the comment section your thoughts about these techniques. And if you enjoy this content, please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for future updates. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.